Time to talk about XRP. XRP Ripple price shows a little bit of a bullish signal. So, will the crypto whales help trigger a March rally for XRP? A lot of this is going to hinge on what the Feds do, how the market responds to that. But so many people are waiting for the breakout with XRP. And I know a lot of whales have also been loading up and accumulating here in the past 12 months. We've been watching that kind of transpire, and XRP's price has really been kind of stuck in a sideways pattern for a while now. And Ripple news regarding legal proceedings with the SEC continues to hang in the balance. Of course, crypto whales have remained resilient, though, as they embarked on a major accumulation wave throughout February of XRP. But the question that prevails is, where is XRP's price going next as March 2023 begins? Let's dive in, and welcome back to the channel, everybody. Appreciate you guys as always for dropping back in here. Let me take you inside this article, what I'm looking at here. So XRP takes a bullish turn as investors hold tight. Ripple delivered a sideways price performance in February. However, on-chain analysis of critical metrics shows the third largest altcoin by market cap is now on the verge of a major upswing. XRP's on-chain metrics currently depict a network-wide accumulation trend, as the mean coin age, 90D, indicates. Blockchain forensics platform Sentiment describes this indicator as the average number of days each XRP token has stayed in its current address. Interesting. That's 90 days. Historically, Ripple prices have tended to spike when the mean coin age maintains a persistent uptrend. Now, again, since the early February blip, fewer tokens have moved from their current addresses. This declining in sell pressure means that a bullish start to March may be in the cards for XRP. Now, again, I want to get back here to talk about the whales in just a second, but a lot of this hinges on what the Feds do with interest rates and then how the market responds to whatever they do with interest rates, right? We're hearing that a 50 basis point move could be, something that we could see. Will that be priced in? Will the market then, take a nosedive? Regardless, I'm preparing to have money on the sidelines right now during these times, right? Because there's a lot of uncertainty still with the economy as a whole, especially in a volatile cryptocurrency market that we're in. Doesn't mean there's money, doesn't mean there's not money to be made, right? Because getting in at low prices, of course, you can always trade cryptocurrencies every single day when the prices go up, when the prices go down. But coming back to these crypto whales, enter accumulation mode. So we've been talking about XRP whales, and we have watched them through Sentiment's data, and it's showing us that whale investors holding 10 million to 100 million XRP have been adding more tokens to their balances. XRP supply distribution chart shows that the whales have added about 300 million new tokens to their balances in the last 2 weeks of February. This further confirms that a potential bullish trend for XRP could play out, given the positive correlation between the XRP prices and the historical buy and sell pattern of those whale holders who hold 10 million to 100 million XRP. So what is a viable price target for XRP in March? Are we looking at 50 cents? Right now, we're sitting less than 40 cents. So that would be a nice spike. Of course, we're sitting right now 37.5 cents. So realistically, where could we go to? Well, it's been a while since we saw 50 cents. In fact, we've got to go all the way out for a while here and go all the way back to November to where we saw a spike here right before what happened with FTX. We had prices reaching above this 50 cent level. So that's the last time this volume spiked up and we got up over 50 cents. Could we see that again here in March? Some of the data suggests that. And again, we're going to have to kind of watch the macroeconomics play out. But I think a lot of people would say this. A lot of people are holding XRP not for XRP getting to 50 cents. Some may be doing that for a swing trade. But I think most people are holding XRP because A, they love the technology and they understand the potential it has if and when they get past the SEC in their lawsuit and they are not deemed a security. We'll see how that plays out, and appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you down in the comment section too. Drop your thoughts down there. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Appreciate you guys as always, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.